What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel LDT Eats. I'm Gracie and this is my mom Carrie.
Hi guys!
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to make homemade Alfredo sauce. So let's get started.
This recipe calls for 4 ingredients plus salt and pepper to taste. So you're going to need some shredded Parmesan cheese right here, some salt and pepper to taste, butter, heavy whipping cream, fresh chopped garlic. I'm going to leave all the ingredient amounts in the description box below. Okay, so Grace is going to turn the stove on high, and she's also going to add butter in the saucepan right here. So she's going to add 2 sticks of butter in the saucepan. Okay. Now I'm making a lot of Alfredo sauce because, yes, I'm going to make a lot of Alfredo sauce only because we're going to have company over. In a saucepan, all you're going to do is melt the butter with the added garlic. Go ahead and stir that up. So you want to make sure that the butter is melted all the way. The next step is to pour in the heavy whipping cream. And as you're pouring in the heavy whipping cream, you're going to slowly pour it in. Now this is about 4 cups of whipping cream, but being that I have company coming over, I'm going to use 8 cups of whipping cream. So now I'm going to go ahead and just keep on whisking. Go ahead, Gracie. Keep on whisking. I'm going to add the rest of that 4 cups in. And then I'm just going to go ahead and just whisk the heavy whipping cream until everything is all blended in. Now we're just going to go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese to it. So Gracie, you want to take, this is about 1 pound of Parmesan cheese. So you're going to just go ahead and throw it in like this, okay? All of it? Yep, all of it. Put it over the thing. Just make sure you're careful. That's it. Just drop it in. That's it. You don't have to spread it or anything. Go ahead. Make sure that you're over it. That's it. Good. As you're putting the Parmesan cheese in there, just keep on whisking. Okay, so now I have all this Parmesan cheese in here, so you're just going to continually whisk this until it gets thickened. Now if it gets too thick, you can always add some more whipping cream to it. You add salt and pepper to taste, and then just keep on mixing. Now you're going to just take it off the heat. As it sits, it's going to thicken up. Gracie, come and stir this. Thank you. And just stir it fast, okay?
It smells good.
Yes, it does, huh? I went ahead and steamed up some fresh broccoli, and I'm going to add that to the Alfredo sauce. And it's already getting thicker. As it has time to sit and cool and you're stirring it, it gets thicker. And that's all there is to it. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna go ahead and try it out, right? Look how creamy that looks. Okay, let's take the first taste. Eat it in the... So my daughter does not use a spoon when we eat pasta. Wow, that was really good. If you want to see more of our recipes, click on over there. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you join us for another meal.
We love you guys. Until next time, learn it, do it, and teach it to others.
Bye guys. God bless.